my order for the body of the RS4 from HPI, the truck. Here is it. But oh my god, this is a 1/8 scale body. And I have a truck from 1/10 scale. 1/10 scale. It's a big problem. The 1/10 scale chassis do 278 millimeter of wheelbase. So I must cut them and glue that with epoxy. Some headlights here. Fit this engine. Rat Max. With the help of this bodywork, I want to make a kind of very inspired replica by the creation of Danny Huynh. A rat body with black paint, flat black paint. See you next for the cut of the body and the glue with the epoxy. Bye bye.